What is up, y'all? This is Alex from Alex PC Tech again, back at you with another video. And on today's video, I hope you are safe, and we're gonna be discussing why you should not buy a second-hand, used, refurbished hard drive or external hard drive or SSD or NVMe M.2 drive for your PC. One is, if you are going for a hard drive, then you wouldn't know if the hard drive was mistreated or was dropped. Now, inside the hard drive is a magnetic platter that spins very fast and the heads that read and write data. Now, a sudden drop may cause failure to these mechanisms, resulting in sudden failure of your hard drive. 2. You will not be sure how long this was used for. Now, as with other electrical gadgets, everything has a lifespan. Let's say after using the drive for 8 months and it suddenly crashes or fails since you don't have any warranty, since this is a refurbished one or a used one, then how much will your data recovery will cost? $100, $200? We all know that it costs more than that, and it will depend on the storage size that you have. In the case of SSDs, data can only be written in a certain number of times. Thus, this means that every copy and paste that you do inside an SSD uses a portion of its lifespan. Now, since you don't have any way of knowing this when you are buying a second-hand or a used SSD or even an NVMe M.2 drive, then I would suggest that you just go with new, save up a little bit, and go with a new NVMe drive, as this will save you a lot of headache, because retrieving data from a crashed SSD is different and is difficult than to crashed hard disk drives. Next, HDD and SSD's prices have gone down considerably compared to when they were launched. Now, if you really don't have a budget, I would suggest you go with a Western Digital Blue, the 1TB edition, the blue one that is at 7200 RPM. That will be a bit of a compensate, and it will be faster than most drives that offer 54,000 RPMs in the market. That is considerably cheap, and what you can do after that is you can upgrade to a better SSD solution once you have the money, or even go with the WD Black HDD if you are gaming. Like if you like this video, and hope this video helped you a lot in your quest for building your dream PC, whatever PC you are building for. Like if you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and see you on the next video.